Right, everybody, it is, I don't know what day it is. It's Tuesday, March 24th or 25th or whatever. I couldn't help myself. I was going to wait till next week when I get back. I have a trip. I was going to wait to get my soil tests back and just till once. But I had a bunch of stuff that I wanted to get into the pumpkin patch. So I just went ahead and tilled it. Plus, I got to use my new toy. So yeah, good luck anybody who gets a new rototiller and doesn't want to immediately go out and till up the dirt. Sorry about yesterday's video. Dropped the camera, then I picked it up upside down. Whoopsies. So, as you can see, I put down some perlite here. Next week, in 2 weeks, I'm going to pick up a bunch more perlite, and then I'll do that, my final till. Once everything's in the ground, I'll put my heat cables back in the ground. But all in all, man, that new tiller worked really good. It does have a feature where I can offset the handlebars and not walk where I just tilled. I was doing it over there, but it's a little more labor intensive, and since I'm going to be tilling again, I really didn't think it was necessary. So just wanted to show everybody how nice and tilled up it is. We'll take a step, and that's mighty fine. I can go down pretty far, and this is not me really pushing the tiller too far, so I don't know, 6 or 8 inches of pure fluffy goodness. So yeah, get some more perlite. I don't think I need any more peat this year, and rinse, wash, repeat. Have a good one. Oh, also, if you want seeds, I got a lot of messages. People watched the last video. If you want seeds, comment below and then message the Colorado Giants Facebook page. Send me the bubble, message my Facebook page for the address. I'll give you the address, and then get some seeds, and then you can do it kind of haphazardly your first year, and then your second year you can tear up your pumpkin patch and have your wife roll her eyes at you and get your son dirty in the next one. Have a good one, guys.